today we'll talk about how can you collect information on your WordPress app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, you click on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on app settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on privacy settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to collection information here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here collect information disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.